Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a DJI Mavic Air 2 owner, you know how crucial that gimbal camera is. It's the eye of a drone, capturing all those amazing shots. But unfortunately, accidents happen, and a damaged gimbal is a frustrating problem that can ground your drone. Today, we're looking at a potential solution for that. The SOLKIN replacement gimbal camera part specifically designed for the Mavic Air 2. Now, this isn't just any random part. According to the information available, this is presented as a brand new, original accessory replacement. The key here is that it's designed to be a direct replacement for the damaged unit on your Mavic Air 2. It's marketed specifically as a repair accessory, intended for use when your drone suffers accidental damage. The idea is to provide a way to fix the drone and get it back in the air without the worry of a complex, incompatible part. The promise is also that this replacement offers a long service life, which is exactly what you'd want from a critical component like this. It's important to understand that while it's a direct replacement part, installing a gimbal camera isn't always a simple plug-and-play job for everyone. It requires some technical skill to open up the drone and carefully swap out the component. But perhaps the most critical piece of information provided is that after you install this camera, it needs to be calibrated using professional software. This isn't something you can skip. Proper calibration is essential for the gimbal to function correctly, stabilize the camera, and ensure your footage is smooth and level. Without calibration, the camera might not point straight, or the stabilization could be off, rendering the repair ineffective. So, who is this part for? It's for the Mavic Air 2 owner who has a damaged gimbal camera and is looking for a specific, brand new replacement part to bring their drone back to life. It offers a clear path to repair, assuming you're comfortable with the installation process or know someone who is, and you have access to the necessary calibration tools or service. It's a way to potentially save a significant amount compared to replacing the entire drone. Having a reliable source for replacement parts like this SOLKIN gimbal camera is vital for keeping these complex machines flying. It provides a targeted solution for a common and frustrating problem, allowing users to extend the life of their valuable drone investment, provided they follow the necessary steps like that crucial post-installation calibration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.